Little bike check, guys. We got here today black market contraband 24-inch. Took out of storage. It's my favorite bike I ever owned, guys. Never gonna get rid of it. Some old school Haze. Still work, guys. 10 years, no bleeding action, and they still work. Old school diety bars and stem. Back in the days, guys, this right here, you could throw anything at this. It ain't gonna break the fork. You ain't gonna bend these wheels. Nowadays, this bike I think weighs like 32 pounds. Everyone I know riding like 22-pound bikes, but this bike is unbreakable. Look at that. I think it's a DJ 2 or 3, I don't remember. Got a Ringo front hub, 20 millimeter on a trail pimp. Maxxis hookworms 2.5. You go that black market contraband logo. This frame was burnt bronze and I painted it aqua. Old school black market seat when the brass knuckles are gone. Animal sprocket, revel cranks, old school animal pedals. Shadow conspiracy, half link chain. Go to brakes, specialized hub on a pimp light. Yeah, this one's a lot bigger in the front. This is the triple wall of mountain bike wheels, bomb proof. And the rear wheel is a trail pimp light. But yeah, still work, guys. Beautiful. One of my favorite bikes I've ever owned. I think they still make it, but they rebranded it. But I don't know, the rear chainstay, guys, this bike pops up like a dream. Manuals, wheelies, bunny hop, whatever.